One of the topic of this weekend is about hearing. Something must be very clear is that for hearing or listening you need silence in the background. If you don't have silence, it's very difficult to listen. You understand that? For example, in the dining room, there is quite a lot of resonance, echo, so it's very noisy. So when you want to listen to someone who is in front of you, it's not easy. And if it is someone who is near to you, it's easier, because it's very noisy. So in fact the key of listening is silence. And also the key of seeing is transparency. That is, if we want to see each other, we need transparency. Transparency?
Transparency.
We need transparency in between. If there is no transparency, we can't see each other. So the key of seeing, or you say the background, not the background, the ground? The ground, yeah. The ground of seeing is transparency. The ground of listening is silence. Now, transparency is not the contrary of, I don't know how you say, as silence is not the contrary of sound. Silence is a quality which includes sound and silence. What I mean is, the experience we have of silence is always in between two sounds. And you might have noticed that there are different qualities of silence. When you go on the mountain, it's a very particular quality of silence, and if you go in the desert, it's another quality of silence. It's not the same silence. But you can only be aware of it if you deeply listen. Now, there is the nature, I could say like that, or the origin, the nature of silence. It's a state of mind which can listen to noise and silence in between noise. Is that clear? As transparency, or instead of transparency we could say space. So we're going to go in some small exercises which are related to those concepts, to those notions.